Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today I would like to show you the way how you can do a collaborations into Instagram story with iPhone. You just need to open the Instagram application, and now you just need to log or sign in with your account and make sure you are stay in the home sections. And right after that, you just need to go at a story by go click this blue plus button, and then it will bring you into your photo library, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to collaborate with your friends. The next thing you need to do is just go click this button with the R or A letter on it. Go click it, and they will really give you an access to type some text here, but then just focus on this line. There will be two options. One is mention and the other one is location. If you want to do the collaborations, just go click at mentions, and you just need to add the ID of your friends that you want to invite for the collaborations with, and place them into the specific area that you want to place them. And right after that, go add to your story and you are done. So that is the way, guys, how you can do collaborative work with Instagram story. Hopefully you enjoyed this a lot, and let's meet again into other tutorial.